right, picking up my coffee jack. Let's see how it came. Okay. Feels like a few items loose inside a bubble wrap Tyvek bag. Let's open it up. If you're wondering how it was shipped, it's labeled with USPS, Pitney Bowes, and the return address is in Inglewood, probably near the port of Los Angeles, where it was offloaded from the boat from China. And I covered up my address there, but I live in San Francisco. Today is February 7th, Tuesday, and I got notification that the package was transferred to USPS on February 2nd, 5 days ago, and I believe I got my tracking number from Send from China on January 13th. So less than a month to get from China to San Francisco. Okay, let's open it up. All right, we have portable case. We have a elevation stand, I think it's called. And we have coffee jack. What is this? Extra portafilter, I think. And the seals kit, because who knows if I'll be able to get those again. And that's it. Looks like I did not choose the economy shipping or economy packaging. Okay, let's see what's inside. Instruction manual, I'm definitely gonna be reading that. Thank you card. Nice packaging. There it is, Coffee Jack. A nice thick layer of foam. I don't see any damage. Wow, it's pretty hefty. Wow, very shiny. It looks great. I ordered this in May 2020, and at the time, they said it would be delivered in May 2020, so I thought it was already manufactured, but it's taken a little bit longer than I hoped. But I'm really happy that it's here. Everything seems in really nice condition. Oh yeah, that is very sturdy. It's probably a good 1/4 of an inch thick metal on this stand. It's really nice. I wonder if you could use that for an AeroPress. Also, my girlfriend has one. Okay. We've unboxed the Coffee Jack. It really exists. Need to get a few more close-up shots since I realized a lot of what I did was off camera. Sorry about that. All right, this is the Coffee Jack itself. I've removed the portafilter. Here's how that looks. Very shiny metal. Here is the portafilter that screws into that part we just saw. The spare portafilter with the lid. The seals kit. Here's the stand. Here's how it fits on the stand, very nice. The inside of the box, the outside of the box. You can make espresso with this. Here's the case for travel. And I know some people are worried about shipping damage. This is the foam that was surrounding the coffee jack in this box. It's about 1 inch thick, so I don't think most people should worry. This piece was on the back here, and the portafilter would go there. So yeah, it seems very well and safely packaged. So in a box like this, I wouldn't be worried about any shipping damage. Here's the manual. Just a quick look. Nicely designed. Ooh, glamour shots. Look at that crema. How to use. Okay, helpful. How to replace the seals. How to pour espresso over ice cream in martini glasses. Very useful. Recipes for espresso drinks. And that's that.